Hello everyone, ngasi gravity kya understand tawuno do yengasi. Gravity is the reason why anything falls on the surface of the earth. It is the reason why we can walk on the surface of the earth without flying off, and it is the reason why the moon revolves around the earth. Basically, gravity has a kind of force of attraction between any two masses. Okay, mamang wiki question to the chala question the hai astronauts in the International Space Station feel weightless because first, the gravitational pull from Sun, Earth, and Moon cancel out in the ISS. Sun, Earth, ka Moon gonna pull tawna International Space Station the cancel out tawgre aduna moi weight faudre haibko. Second, the astronauts ka International Space Station ga free fall the lay haibko. Third, the Earth na International Space Station the piriba acceleration due to gravity is zero ne haibko. Fourth, none of the above. Aduna mi karam karam answer pinay do yengsi. A is the 11 students gave, B the 10 students gave, C is the 33 majority ko, adudagi D is the 5 students gave. Correct answer is karam boyduna haibada B se oidoni ko, which around 17% gave the right answer. International Space Station ga astronauts ka free fall the lay se oidoni ko, adudagi majority around 56% in a high say acceleration due to gravity by Earth is zero in ISS. Acceleration due to gravity is zero oy hai because sige se kaya chumbano do or kaya khali no do sum yenga siko. Force of gravitation ko maine define tawi F equal to gmm by r square na define tawi ko. F se koi na kamain EVR mg na EVR mass into acceleration. Small r sina capital R plus h. Sige sida कोई particular case the capital R से radius of the earth लौरनी small h in anything from the surface of the earth अदुगी height तो लौरनी को international space station की height लोगेरा or anything को mm cancel तो नारगा acceleration due to gravity की expression just मायने फंगे earth की surface the height से zero होएगा anything on the surface of the earth की radius या कोई ना क्या नो ना खंगी 6371 kilometers approximately Earth की surface दा कोई g की value से 9.8 meter per second square ने खंगे ISS से कर्म height लई हाइबदी 408 kilometer from the surface of the earth लई बनी को C is the g is 0 ओइगद्राबा कोइन option number 3 the g is 0 ओइगनी न p बदो मी म्याम p को तो C की height से the g से 0 ओइगद्रा हाइब C की height से actually 6.4% of r निको small height निको यामना चाव बनते को g is कोई ना 1 by r square का proportional ओय हाई को सीना हाई बती r जिने infinity योर कांद g is 0 ओय तो निको or r जिने याम चावर कांद g is negligible ओय हाई रोको अदो C की height से is it sufficient enough to make g 0 को that is the question अदो actual calculation तौर कांद r से C पी रहे h C पी रहे तौर कांद international space station द g दो kaya no naputorokpada around 89% of 9.8 meter per second square phangiga which is approximately 8.7 meter per second square ado huziki the weight ki perspective ta kitang pusalak se nang surface of the earth ta phamme na khalase aduga nang gi weight say 60 kg weight ne na lowre ka adudagi we have a very tall building adu kayam tall oibno haibada international space station ki height pokta tall oina khalase tall building ki matak sida nang phamme same height as the international space station but you are not moving international space station they revolve tawrika see height sida nang gi weight se kya oigani haibada around 53.4 kg weight ka see oigani ko and you will feel it sida 1 kg weight se actually 9.8 newtons ni I did not use just kg kg hai taragadi koina normally mass oina chatli ko well mass ka surface of the earth mass ka weight ka interchangeably adum season nahi but still to be accurate kg weight hai ka ko weight la kanda but international space station the 60 kg weight labor astronaut amana 53.4 kg weight se feel taude he or she won't feel it why the question is why ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯣꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯣꯜꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ there is only one force acting and it is the force of gravity adu leirkanda person or object to free fall da layena lowani ko so question ama arise tore kai question no haibada how do we feel weight have weight se kamaina akhina koi sense na kamaina phawan ge haba phawal is a normal force ama phangbagini ko khoi body na say suppose on the ground nang phamaga leire khalasi nang on the act or ko the forces singje kai no haibada earth na pull tawai force ama layerni adudagi ground surface na mathakta bikhalakpa normal force ama layerni sigi normal force se laibagini akhoina weight power ise sigi se kitang perspective amada yenge hai taragadi suppose yamna wang height amadagi nangse pool amada chongdhare khalasi chongdhabagi interval du the normal force di pira roidana because you are not in contact with the ground adukanda you will feel weightless for the interval aduginiko normal force layer kanda weight phawgani koina weight to sense tawbane hairabani na apparent weight ki idea amala apparent habadi appears to be have apparent weight elevator tongbada elevator do mathak rom da accelerate tawbada khoido hena lumba phawgani ko or during take off in a flight take off tawbada hena lummena phawi ko adudagi elevator do na makhada decelerate tawba haitar or accelerate tawba ko sigisida will feel lighter sigisi kaigino haibada normal forces are different sigisida grounds ina elevators ina smaina piraiba normal force and is it different oibagi we feel different weight okay free fall ki topic tala si free fall ki da air resistance ki dang neglect tawgi si and other forces macha macha laiba drag ka okay free fall the normal act rate khange and free fall the weight power rate khange earth earth lorasi aduga yam tall oiba building ama lorasi say international space station gi height tanena lorasi adugi matakta ball ama lorasi ball se vertically thadarakpada mana experience to gadobodo free fall ni adu weight power or person amana chongthare na khalasi ko adu su free fall oigani hauji path to the weight experience tawre velocity kitang hapaga langbada sigi path sisu free fall oigani kai the gravity kitang act tawri and the ball or the person following this path will not feel its weight adudagi velocity do kitang amuk yam khalakpada smaina amuk follow tawrakani fall tawre last hit tawre adudagi velocity do khara wang khalasi wang khalakpada fall tawre last smaina sidasu sigi path sidasu weight feel tawroi smaina sum fall tawrakpasina velocity is sufficient oirakanda yam wanga kanda sigi path se trace tawrakani sigi sida kaidoino haibada all along this path adum fall tawrainiko towards the surface of the earth fall di adum tawrakpani but the velocity is very large enough aduna surface of the earth touch sungtau tawtaba but this is also a free fall layramdragadi gravity layramdragadi ball do smaina chatkinina khangiko velocity ama pibada hauski ball gido khoina person on the elevator nina lorsiko person the elevator amada laibuko or international space station or siyariko smaina tarakpada vertically tarakpada kesu weight fauriko person do adudagi initial velocity kitang piraga tarakpadasu sidasu weight fauriko this is also free fall elevator duga person duga taminara ineba sumaina velocity sum hengalakpada sidasu free fall ni aduga weight fauroi sum velocity yankhala aduga trace tawriba path se adum free fall da oi gravity katang act tawribanina sidasu fauroi adudagi velocity do ngasai ge tamaina sufficient oira kanda sumaina complete oiba hanagi position da laaga adum sigi orbit chita adum continue tawgini ko sigi sisu free fall ki case ni ko earth ki surface ta towards the surface of the earth adum fall tawrini ko gravity na pull tawraga adum fall di tawrakpani but velocity is large and it will not touch the surface of the earth do sigi whole orbit sida weight di power ko free fall da leibagi Okay, ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯇ ꯆꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯋꯦꯠꯂꯦꯁꯅꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ. ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯜꯗꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯏꯀꯣ, ꯄꯨꯜꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯕꯥꯎ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯋꯦꯠꯂꯦꯁꯅꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯗꯣ ꯐꯥꯎꯏꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯖꯤꯔꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ. ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯉꯪꯉꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯂꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤꯗ if air resistance ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯧꯕꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯦꯀꯣ. ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠꯁꯤꯗ accelerate ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ, just free fall ꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ. only acceleration is acceleration due to gravity. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ gravity ꯈꯇꯪ act ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯣ free fall ꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ and they will feel weightless ꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯣ air resistance ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯂꯣꯠꯇꯨꯅ air resistance ꯇꯣ cancel out ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯅꯕ maneuver ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ. and the only unbalanced force is gravity. and gravity ꯈꯇꯪ act ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ free fall ꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ. then ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯥꯈꯠꯂꯛꯑꯒ interval ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ free fall experience ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯀꯣ. air resistance ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯗꯣ counter act ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ gravity ꯈꯇꯪ act ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ interval ꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ training ꯇꯧꯍꯧꯕꯀꯣ.